Deion Sanders' signature sneakers are making a strong comeback, with classics like the Air DT Max 96 and the original Air Diamond Turf receiving praise from longtime sneakerheads. Now, Nike is preparing to reintroduce the Air Diamond Turf 2, set to return in its original red and gold colorway for spring 2026. First released in 1994 during Sanders' stint with the San Francisco 49ers, the shoe also nods to his MLB days with the Atlanta Braves and Cincinnati Reds. While the colorway aligns best with his football legacy, it subtly represents all three teams. The Air Diamond Turf 2 builds on its predecessor's design with a signature midfoot strap and bold helix-shaped cutouts across the upper. Diamond Turf branding hits the tongue, while Deion's logo graces the heel. Sneaker fans can expect the retro pair to release early 2026, priced at $170 US. It's a must-have for fans of Primetime's legacy.